In 2014, Mississippi poultry farmers brought in $3 billion, that's right, I said billion dollars to the Mississippi state economy. Isn't that great? You know, in over the 1,400 family farms, they take great care to raise healthy chickens for their tables as well as yours. There are no hormones and no steroids used in raising chickens. And you know what? Poultry is very good for nutrition, and it's also known for its adaptability. And today I've got a great recipe for a chicken stroganoff. This one's made in a slow cooker, and we started out using our skinless, boneless chicken breast, and all I did was cut them up into cubes, just bite-sized pizzas. Something that makes it easy to eat. They don't all have to be the same exact size, just a bite that you can get to. And to this, we're going to add a little bit of real butter, about 2 tablespoons worth. We're going to put some in different places around there. I think I'll put another slice in. A little extra never hurts on something like that. And then for our seasoning, we're going to use dry Italian dressing mix. Just sprinkle it across the top. No particular way that you have to put it in there. Super easy. And to this, you're going to put the lid on and be sure it's set on low. It's going to cook for about 5 to 6 hours, and then about 30 minutes before you're ready to eat, you're going to add some cream cheese and cream of chicken soup. Blend those together, put it in. It's going to make a great sauce or gravy around your chicken that's going to make it wonderful when your family goes to eat. Let's take a look at the finished product. Wow, does this smell good? This chicken stroganoff is fantastic. I've got a great bed of Mississippi rice here that's already ready to go, and I'm going to put a little bit on top of that, or you can put it on noodles, you could put it on top of a potato, any number of ways that you'd like to have it at your home. You know, the nice thing about this is it's a great family meal, ready for you to serve, put a salad on the side, and it's wonderful. So if you'd like this recipe and more information about farmers here in the state of Mississippi, check us out at our website at growingmississippi.org.
We invite you to learn more about Mississippi agriculture and its importance to your daily life. Visit growingmississippi.org.